So thank you for joining. So today I'm going to show you how to run a Facebook and Instagram ad because and like I said previously, I think I've said it repeated it several times that in digital marketing, promotion is very important because when you're posting organically, there are some audience you will never reach when you are posting organically because some of them they are not your followers. They don't follow your business page or they don't follow your personal account on this social media platform. So the only way to reach them is by running an advertising campaign. So I want to share my screen now. So I will show you how to run Facebook ad on what is it called? How to run Facebook and Instagram ad. So what you are seeing here is my own Facebook. What you're seeing here is my own Facebook account. I hope you can see it very clearly.
Maybe you can zoom it in, sir. The words are faint.
Zoom. I'm sharing my Facebook account. I don't think I can zoom it here more. Just a moment, please. Are you using a phone or a laptop?
But today I'm using a phone.
You're using a phone.
Yes.
Yeah, so I'm sharing a screen. So I think that is why it's small on your device. But that's why it's small on your device. But what I'm sharing is the browser. That is what I'm sharing because if I zoom it in, some information will be lost on my screen. Yeah. So first of all, before you run a Facebook or an Instagram ad, you must have a business page or a business account. If it is on Instagram, you must have a professional account. If it is on Facebook, you must have a page. You cannot run an ad from your personal Facebook account. So if you want to run ad, make sure that you have a page. The one you're seeing here is my own Facebook page. It's the page is in my name. It is so your Facebook page is different from your personal account. Like when you click here, this one here is. Can you see my mouse pointer?
Yes.
Hello.
Yes,
Yes. So this
yes,
one
sir.
here, yeah, this is, if I click on this one, this is my personal Facebook account. This is my personal Facebook account. Then this one is my Facebook page. Both of them have my name. Yeah. This is my Facebook page. So I want to switch back to my Facebook page. So there is a difference between your personal Facebook account and your Facebook page because in your Facebook account you won't have there are no features to these Facebook business tools. You don't have access to them. So I'm going to switch back to my so this is my business what is it called? My business page. So that is why down here you can see page. So when I click on see page, so this is my page. So this is my page. And from here, this is where you start exploring. You start exploring, you can see some features here, like there's professional dashboard, insight, ad center. In your personal Facebook page, you can view ad center. Let me open my personal Facebook page on this tab. Okay, let me switch back again so you can see the difference. So you don't get confused. You don't get confused. Yeah. So you can see here is see profile. Here is see profile, but when you switch, what you're going to see, what is going to pop up is see page. So that is why both of them are not the same. This is my page now. That is why you say you're not acting as Obinna Osigwe on Facebook. See page. So I'm on my page now. But before I show you how to run ad, I want to tell you about what we call Meta Business Suits. What we call Meta Business Suits. Before it is called Google Business, Facebook business account, but now it is called Meta Business Suits. Meta Business Suits has more option than your business account. So in Meta Business Suits, it allows you to manage all your assets, your Facebook, your Instagram, and your WhatsApp on the same platform. You know, with Facebook, you can link your Instagram and your Facebook. That's why you can see my followers on Facebook and you can see my followers on Instagram. Why? Because both the Facebook page and the Instagram page, they are linked together. They are linked together, and from here you can cross post. Cross post means that if I post anything, for instance, if I click on this content, here and click on create post, I click on create post, you can see here, I'm posting on Obinna Osigwe and Obinna. Both of them are my Facebook and Instagram. So anything I post here goes straight to my Facebook page and my Instagram business account, or rather professional account. Yeah, or rather professional account. So you can also reply messages here, your messages from WhatsApp. Yeah, you can connect your WhatsApp here. You can see all messages here. So this is your Facebook Messenger. This is Instagram account. I've not linked both Instagram and Facebook page together, because when I link it together, from here I can respond to your messages on Instagram, and also you can connect your WhatsApp business, your business number. You can connect it here, which I've not done. You can respond to Facebook comments and you can respond to Instagram comments here. Yeah. Instagram comment. You can see here the comment on my Instagram account, because it's a business account. I can view all the comments here. I don't need to pick up my phone. I don't need to pick up my phone to respond to these messages on Instagram. From here, I can respond to it. You can view your content. You can view your content. It has a lot of features. You can plan your content here. You can create your content planner and schedule your content. You can see here, I can schedule content for tomorrow on Saturday. You can schedule your content. From here, you can set up your ad. You can set up your ad through the ads manager, which is what we are going to look at later. You can look at your insights. Because I've not been posting. You have not been consistent with posting on social media. That's why my results are very low. And it also has a lot of tools. These are the tools on Facebook, on the Meta Business Suits. So you can the one that we use, the content inbox planner, ads, the ad manager, billing and payment. This is where you set up your payment method, because if you want to run ad, you must set up your payment method. How is Facebook going to charge you? Yeah, you set up your billing and payment. So if you have your card, you can add your card details here. You can add your card details here, and you can add your payment method here. If you have a card, yeah, you set up your card, and your payment activity, you set it up here, and it has a lot of features here. It has a lot of features here, but I just let me show you how the features of Meta business suite before I show you how to run ads. How to run ad. So this is what we call the
I have a
meta.
question
Yes.
to ask about the planner. Like how many posts can it allow you to schedule? Like what's the maximum? Is it only one day?
No, you can schedule as many posts. You can schedule as many posts. For instance, if I click on create post here and I add a photo, let me upload a picture here. Let me look for a picture. Maybe this is what I want to post. And so this is what I want to post. Here it gives you option to post the same thing on Facebook and Instagram, or you customize. Maybe let's assume that I want to put you are welcome to our digital marketing class. You're welcome to our digital marketing class. I can decide to write something different on Instagram because Instagram does not accept link. Yeah. Instagram does not accept links. So this is a scheduling option. So I can decide to schedule the post. I can decide to post it tomorrow. Today is 13th, so I can decide to post it on 14th, 11:41 a.m. Yeah, I can decide to post the one for Facebook on Sunday, which is 16th of November on the same time. So you can actually, it allows you to schedule your post. It allows you to schedule your post. So once you schedule it, you will see it in the planner on this place. You're going to see it in the planner once the post has been scheduled. So I do that a lot. I do that a lot for my organization. I schedule the post. So once you schedule it, you see it. Here. I hope that answers your question.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. So let's continue. So with Facebook, Meta Suits, like I said earlier, it helps you to connect all your business accounts, all Meta business accounts. You know, Meta is the owner of Facebook, Meta is the owner of Instagram, Meta is the owner of WhatsApp. So it allows you to connect these three platforms on one platform. And why this is good, it helps you to manage your online presence and also engage your audience without switching on different platforms. So that is why, for me personally, when I work, I don't touch my phone. I work with my laptop. So I don't touch my phone because everything is in one place. I manage everything in one place, especially Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. I respond to WhatsApp messages through Meta Business Suite. And also it helps you to send messages, create ad, and view analytics. So the benefits from what you've seen is that it helps you to manage your account in one place. It helps you to share content easily, and it helps you to improve your efficiency. You don't need to be everywhere at the same time. So one of what I want to show you here is the Meta Business Portfolio. Is the Meta Business Portfolio. That's what we call a business portfolio. So here you click on settings. You click on settings. I've looked at all tools. So you click on settings. So once you click on settings, so this is the Meta Business suite. This is my own. This is my own. But if you don't have one, I'm going to show you the steps on how to create a meta business portfolio. I'm going to show you that very soon. Just a moment, please. I'm going to show you that very soon, because that is part of your deliverables in this class. If you have it already, it's fine. I don't know. Is there anyone here that has that you have the Meta Business Suits account? Is there anyone here that has it?
Yes, I have it.
Okay, Nelly has it. So I think you are covered. So you don't need to you don't need to do the assignment. The only thing left for you now is to, who else?
Me, shop Natural Crown.
Okay, Natural Crown. Okay, you also have your business suit account. Very good.
Yes.
Very good. So because once you run it, it gives you a lot of flexibility in managing your business. What I want to show on the screen now, I want to show you the steps. For those that don't have it, I want to show you the steps on how to create the Meta Business Suits. So let me just a moment. I want to share the slide. Then okay. Okay, this is the steps. This is the steps of how to create a business portfolio. So you go to Meta Business Suits, which is business.facebook.com in a desktop browser. Then you click create a new account. Then you log in with your personal Facebook or Instagram account. Then you create a business portfolio from the drop-down menu. You enter your business details, including the name of your business portfolio, your first name and surname, and your business email address. Then you click on create. So once you click on create, you're going to receive an email asking you to confirm the creation of your business portfolio. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to save this as an image and send it to the group. And send it to the group. So it's going to help you to do that. I hope that is fine. So let me do that just now. Just give me in 30 seconds. I want to do that now. Seconds. Yeah, so I'm sending it to our group now. I'm sending it to our group now. So just so I've sent it to the group. I've sent it to the group. So once you so is that very clear now? Can I continue?
A
Hello.
question.
Okay.
Hi. So I'm asking, is there
Mm.
any way I can use my phone instead? Is it like
Your
an
phone.
app or a browser?
There is an app. If you go to Google Play Store, there is an app. I don't know about iPhone users. I've never used iPhone in my life before, but I think the app is there on iOS Store. Just download the Business Suite, Meta Business Suite. It can help you to set up this, but the phone has a lot of limitations because it is better you do it with your computer. If you do
Yeah,
it
like
with
me, I set mine using my phone.
okay, your phone.
Yeah, but it is okay. Yes. Yeah, you have to download the app.
Yeah, you download the app Meta Business Suits. You download Meta
Yes.
Business Suits. So once you've created your business portfolio, then you can start adding people. You can see here, you can start adding people. You can start adding pages. You can start adding partners. Let's say there are some posts you might see on Instagram. You notice that two people or two businesses are collaborating on a post. So we call it partners. Yeah, two people can partner, or we call them collaborators. Here you can add multiple pages. You can add multiple pages. You can see here that I have multiple pages here. You can have multiple pages. We can also have more than one ad account. You can also have more than one ad account. So there are a lot of things. You can also add your apps here. If you have an app, you can add your e-commerce account here. If you want to run an e-commerce ad, you can add your e-commerce ad here. You can connect your WhatsApp account, Instagram account. Yeah, this is Instagram account. You can also connect your WhatsApp account to your Meta Business Suite. So it has, in fact, if you're interested in Facebook and Instagram advertising, this is the platform you're supposed to use. This is a platform you're supposed to use. A catalog. Catalog. This is for people that are into. This is people that are into products. Maybe like a natural crown. You need to learn how to. You need to learn how to use a catalog. The same way you create your catalog in your WhatsApp business, that is the same way you create your catalog in your Facebook business. There is data sets and pixel. There is for offline conversion. There is for audience. It has a lot of what is it called? Features. But I don't want to bore you with a lot of details. But the one we are going to look at is how to run ad. That is my focus today, how to run ad. But I want to show you these features. So in case you have you employed a new staff, or you have a business partner, so you know how to add your business partner to your Meta Business Suite, so both of you can manage it. So and also, one of the advantage here, one of the security features here, is that you don't need to start sharing your Facebook and Instagram password. You don't need to start sharing your Facebook and Instagram password to people. So with Meta Business Suite, what you just need to do is to add them to this. You add them to this platform, the Meta Business Suite platform, and you give them access. If you want, you can also revoke their access. If you want, you can also revoke their access. Like you can see here, this one gives you an opportunity to, like here, you can see remove from business portfolio. Do you get it? So immediately you click on remove, they don't have access again. Do you get it now? They don't have access again. So if you want, you can also invite people. This is how you invite people. You type in their email address. You type in their email address. Once you type in their email address, they will be invited. Then you follow the steps. You follow the steps to invite them. You can see here that because I already have access, I say that this person was already invited. This person was already invited. And also you can add pages. It gives you opportunity to add page. You can add a page here. If you want to add a page, make sure you have an admin access. You must have an admin access to add a page, to add a new page or an existing page to your business suite. So you can see add an existing page, and or you can request shared access to a Facebook page. This, I have done this many times. Or you can also create a new Facebook page from here. You can create a new Facebook page from here. So these are the three levels. Is either you're an admin, to a Facebook page, or you can request shared access to a Facebook page, or you create a new Facebook. You can create a new Facebook page. Same thing goes with an ad account. You can create your ad account here because before you run ad, you must have an ad account. You must have an ad account. So you can create a new ad account, or you can add an existing ad account, or you can request access to an ad account that another person is managed. So you request access to it, then somebody will, the person will give you approval to use the ad account. You can use one ad account across two different business portfolio. Two different business portfolio. I hope that is very clear. Hello, are we following?
Yes, sir, we are following.
Okay, thank
Yes,
you
sir.
very much. Thank you. Yeah, so like I said, I said it one time that if we start learning Facebook advertising, 3 months will not be enough for us to finish it because it has a lot of Facebook advertising has a lot of features. If you're learning Google advertising, you might not finish it in 6 months because it has a lot of features. But when you are training people, most times you focus on what they will be using every day. Because if you want to learn everything, there are some features that you might never use because based on the scale of your business, you might never use them. So we're going to look at now how to run ad, using how to run meta ads. That is what we are going to look at here. So here, if you want to run ad, there are two ways to run ad. One is to boost a post. One is to boost a post. Then one is to boost a post. The second part is to run ad through your ads manager. Like if you're using an Instagram professional account, you see boost post there. It is actually very easy. But when you click on boost post on Instagram, you don't have features to this ad manager. You're not using this ad manager. Do you get it now? You don't have access to a lot of features. So that is why it is better for you to run your Instagram ad using the ads manager than boosting posts. And also when you boost post on your Facebook page, let's say you made a post on Facebook page and you boost the post, it is very limited. Yeah, you're very limited. So that is why ads manager is very important. So I'm going to open the ads manager. So I'm going to right click and open a new tab, the ads manager. So for you to run ad on your ads manager, you must have an ad account. At this top level here, this is where you see your ad accounts. This is where you see your ad account. These are some business portfolio that I have access to. These are some business portfolio that I have access to and the ad account. So you must have an ad account for you to run ad. And you run ad from the ad manager. So this is the ad manager. It has some features like it has account overview. It has an account overview. Then it has the campaign. This is where you see all your campaigns. This is all you see your campaign. You can see ad reporting. If you want to see the reports of the ads that you've run, this is where you're going to view it. Okay, still loading. This is where you're going to view it. Just a moment, please. So I think okay. It's as if the laptop froze a little. So this is your this is ad reporting. Then there is audience. This is the Facebook audience. This is Facebook audience. Facebook has 3 types of audience. There is a core audience, there is custom audience, and lookalike audience. Lookalike audience is when you upload, for instance, the email list that we created. When you upload it, we can upload that Excel file. When we upload that Excel file here, then what Facebook will do, Facebook will use their personal details to create a lookalike audience, people that look like your audience. We call them lookalike audience. Then custom audience are people that have already shown interest in your business on your page. Then there is core audience. Core audience is the main Facebook audience. The main Facebook audience. That is called your core audience. But let's set up a campaign. When we are setting up a campaign, it is the core audience that you use. So Facebook ads has 3 levels. It has campaign, ad sets, and ad. One campaign can have several ad sets, and one ad set can have different ad. When we start, I will now show you. I will show you what campaign, the difference between campaign, ad sets, and ads. So if you want to start a campaign, you click on create. So this is create. You click on create. Okay, so they need to confirm some things about my account. Okay. Okay. So let's continue. So you click on create. So if you remember when we did the customer journey, so when you want to run an ad, there are different campaign objectives. So Facebook ad or Meta ad has a different campaign objective. There is awareness. There is awareness. You remember our marketing funnel. There is awareness. Awareness is when you want to show your ad to people who are most likely to remember them. So use it for reach, brand awareness, and video views. Video views, because like I said, this digital marketing platform, they have a lot of information. They have a lot of information about their audience. For instance, you can see brand awareness. Say reach people who are more likely to remember your brand. So Facebook knows people that based on your digital footprint, based on digital activity, Facebook knows people that are most likely to remember your brand. So there is traffic. Traffic ad is when you want to send people to a website or to your app or your Instagram profile or your Facebook event. Let's say you created a Facebook event, traffic is good. Then there is engagement. If you want people to engage, maybe to like, share, and comment. If you want to get more messages, this is the kind of ad to run. Remember, I always tell you that everything depends on what exactly you want to achieve. And there is lead generation ad when you want to collect form, when you want to collect personal information from people. Maybe for instance, you have a school, or you are trying to you are organizing an event and you want people to submit their information. This is the kind of ad to run. There is app promotion ad. If you are promoting an app, on these Meta platforms, this is the kind of ad you are going to run. I know most times you can see some YouTube ad, some app install ad on YouTube that encourages you to install an app. Then there is also sales campaign. That is when you want people to convert. This one, we call it direct response advertising. You want people to convert. So for sales campaign is tailored towards conversion. And this is good for people that have products. When you have catalogs, Natural Crown raising ad, what is it? What is it, Tristan? What is that a business? Is it Bridal World? Bridal World, yes. I also want people to give you a call. This is the kind of ad to run. So for instance, we want to create awareness. We want to create awareness, so we click on continue. So this is at campaign level of your ad. You can see that this is campaign, this is ad sets, this is campaign, this is the ad set level, and this is the ad level. So at campaign level, you've chosen your campaign objective. If you want, you can give it a name. Let's say the name is Skill Up Kampala. Skill Up Kampala, January 2026. Because we want to start, let's say that Skill Up Kampala wants to start creating awareness for the next training. For the next training of Skill Up Kampala that is starting January 2026. So they want to get interest. They need to get people that are interested. And so they want people to register. They want people to register for the next bash, for the next training. So the name of this campaign is Skill Up Kampala. And there is also what we call auction type. There is also what we call auction type. Auction type is buying type. There is auction and reservation. Auction is when people wants to engage with you in real time, and the second one is reservation. That is, you want to pay in advance. But what we are using is the auction type. At here, you can still edit your campaign objective. It is only when your ad is running that you cannot edit your campaign objective. Here, you can put your campaign spending limit. We can put your campaign spending limit. We can say that we are not spending. Sorry, my ad account is in Naira, is a Nigerian currency. So it's possible that when you create your own, it might be in US dollar. But you can put a cap. You can put a cap on your campaign because, like I said, a campaign can have different ad sets. A campaign can have different ad sets. For instance, now, this is the ad sets for this. So I can duplicate an ad set. You can see it now. I can duplicate these ad sets. This is what I've done now. So you can see that this campaign has two ad sets, and each ad set has its own ad. Do you get it? So that's why I say one campaign can have two ad sets, and each ad set can have its own ad. And you can even duplicate an ad. Do you get it? You can duplicate an ad. That is what I'm trying to do now. Can you see it now? So this ad set has two ads here. So it still boils down to what I'm saying before that. What is it called that? You can have two ad from the same ad set. So I'm getting a message here. There is a recent activity to my account. So Facebook wants me to authenticate. Facebook wants me to authenticate this address, this account. So they want to send me a code. So they want me to, just a moment, please. Facebook wants me to authenticate the account. According to them, somebody's tried to log into my account now. Okay, I've received the code. Yeah, so let's continue. So I can delete this. Let me delete all this. Delete. Yeah, I can also delete one of these. Delete. Delete. Yeah. So we are still here at the campaign level. Our campaign type is awareness. If we want, we can change it to traffic. I can change it to traffic. I can change it to engagement. I can change it to lead. Let's say we want to collect contacts of people. So here we are going to create it to awareness. We're going to change it to awareness. Then this you can select this on when you have different ad sets. If you have different assets, this is when you click this on. We call it this thing advantage plus campaign budget. That is when you distribute your budget across ad sets, because when we get to asset level, it is possible that one ad is targeting people in northern Uganda. Another ad is targeting people in western Uganda. So you're running two different ads. So when you're running two different ads, it means that the asset is not going to be the same. So this is where Advantage Plus comes in. So it means that you're going to distribute your budget across these two campaigns, across these different ad sets to get more results. But we are not doing that. Then A and B testing. A and B testing is when you create two variation of your ad. When you create two variation of your ad, let's say the same picture but different caption, or different caption but different picture. So we call it A and B testing in digital marketing. But we're not doing that now. So we are done with the campaign level. Then I click on next. I click on next. If I want, I can also rename this one January 2026 training. This is the name I want to give it. Then there is performance goal. Performance goal is how do you want to measure success of your ad? So there are different options that Facebook is showing you. You can maximize the reach of your ad. That is, Facebook wants to show your ad to as many people as possible. So this one is targeted towards reach. Then then another one is impression. Impression. Remember when I told you the difference between reach and impression, that if Obinna saw your ad 3 times and Nelly saw your ad 5 times and Brenda saw your ad 5 times, what it means is that the impression is 13, because Obinna is 3, Nelly is 5, Brenda is 5, that is 13, but the reach is 3. You only reached 3 people, but the impression is 15. Yeah, so sorry, the impression is 13. So it is good for you to know the difference between reach and impression. So you can maximize reach, you can maximize impression. Impression is that you want one person to see it more than once. But reach is that you want to reach as many people as possible. As many people as possible. So let's say that your ad has the capacity to reach 100,000 people. If you select maximize number of impression, it is possible that Facebook might show your ad to 30,000 people. But the 30,000 people we have, those 30,000 people are going to have more impression. More impression. This is what it means. I hope, is this very clear? Hello, I hope I'm communicating.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you can maximize number of impression. Then you can also maximize recall, add lift, add recall lift. That is people that are most likely to remember your ad. So we selected maximize number of impression. Then here you select page. This is the point where you select a page. Yeah, so for here, I'm going to select a scale up Kampala. So you can see that the page is scale up Kampala because if you're managing many pages, you can select the particular page you want. So this is where you put your budget. So you can say that we don't want to spend more than 5,000 naira or 50,000 naira per day, or we say we don't want to spend more than, okay, let's say 50,000 naira per day. 50,000 naira is around 125,000 shillings. So that is, if you want that to be your daily ad. Then dynamic creative, I'm going to show you where, yes.
Who charges that money? Like that money is paid where?
It said the money is paid where?
Yeah, it's money we
I
are
didn't
paying
get
for the
you.
ad.
No,
I'm
that is the money.
asking. Yeah, this money that you've just put, it's paid
Yeah.
where? Mm.
No, that is the money you want to use for your ad. It is the money that you have to pay Facebook to run the ad.
Oh, yes, okay.
Do you
So
get
which
it? That's the
means
money.
Meta is not free, eh?
Of course, it's not free.
Mm.
Of course, it's not free. Of course, it's not free. Yeah. But this is optional. Then this is your budget. If you are running an ad, there are two types of Meta budget or Facebook budget. There is daily budget and lifetime budget. Lifetime budget, use lifetime budget when you are, let's say you want to run a campaign for a month. And today is 13th of November and you want your campaign to end on 13th of December. You can see now, 13th of December, that is a 30-day budget. And that is when you now create a lifetime budget because every campaign is supposed to have a duration. Every campaign is supposed to have a duration. So if the lifetime budget is, let's say the lifetime budget is 100,000. The lifetime budget is 100,000. So what it implies is that daily, so you divide this by 30 days. If you divide it by 30 days, which is daily, you now find out how much they're charging you per day. Do you get it? So they say your budget must be at least 14270. That is 1427. You get it now? So this is your average daily spend, then your maximum daily spend is this, and your maximum weekly spend is 10,000, is 10,000. You get it now? So there is daily budget and there is lifetime budget. Lifetime budget, let me explain it again. Lifetime budget is when you're working for an organization and they give you a lump sum, a big amount of money for a campaign, and they told you that this is a 3-month campaign. They told you that this is a 3-month campaign. So if it is a 3-month campaign, it means it's 90 days. It means it's 90 days. So 3 months campaign is going to end in February 2026. That is 13th February 2026. You get it now. So this is when you use a lump sum. This is when you use a lump sum. And Facebook here is also telling you can see here, your budget must be at least 131,000 or your ads may not deliver. So most times they will also tell you the minimum amount you use to run a campaign. So let's go back to daily budgets. Let's go back to daily budget. Let's know the minimum amount per day to run a campaign. This is actually very, as you can see, your budget must be at least. To get results, this is the least amount of money you will need. So if you want to run ad, Facebook will tell you the least amount of money that you need. If you want, you can also send an end date. When do you want your ad to end? So is it 30 days? Is it 60 days? Is it more than 60? If it is more than 60, then you can add it. So this one can be a 30-day campaign. Then there is also, you can also schedule your budgets. You can also schedule your budgets. You can also schedule your budgets. That is if you want. You can also schedule your budgets. This is budget scheduling. Increase your budget during specific time. Do you get it? So you can say between November 15 and November 15, increase my budget by this certain amount of money. Let's say you want let's say there are off-peak period. Let's say there are peak period, maybe during weekend, you want your ad to be more visible. So you can increase it this period. So that is what we call budget scheduling. You can add one period. You can also add another time period. So, but let me uncheck this. Then there is also audience control. There is also audience control for your ad. Audience control is you want your ad to show in some specific location. For instance, my business can only advertise in specific location. So you type in the location where you want your business. Let's say I want my business to be advertised only in Kampala. I don't want it to show in Ginger. So you can put audience control. You can put something like age restricted, because sometimes when your ad is running, Facebook can show your ad to people, maybe people in Masaka or people in Mbarara. There are sometimes they can extend your ad. Somebody that is not within the particular age group can see your ad, or sometimes, but this is when you want to put a restriction on your ad. Then this is where you select your location. Select your location. So you see why audience definition is very important. Before you run your meta ad, make sure you've defined your audience. Make sure you defined your audience. So let's say that our audience, they're in Kampala. Let's say our audience is in Kampala, and I want to type here Uganda. Let's say Uganda. You can see here, I want to remove Nigeria from here. So it's Uganda. So the audience, can you see on the right side here? You can see the audience size of Ugandans on Meta platform. You can see it's from 828 to 974 based on my budget. What they are showing me is based on my budget. This is what I'm going to end. And so if I increase my budget, let's say I increase my daily budget to 10,000 per day. If I increase my daily budget to 10,000 per day, once we get to audience, it means that I can reach more people. Let's say I added Kenya here. I added Kenya. So they are showing me now. You can see I can reach 9.3 million to 11 million using this budget. Yeah, using this budget, that is what I can reach. So if I remove Uganda here, let me know what is remaining here. So it is 8.5 million to 10 million. You can see that you have more Facebook users in Kenya than in Uganda. So remember what I said, that when you are doing business, you need to know your audience size. For Facebook and Instagram, the audience size of Kenya is like is more than times 10 of that of Uganda, according to the information that we are seeing here. So you can come and test all these things. You can also look at Tanzania. Let's type Tanzania here. Let's type Tanzania
Excuse
here.
me, sir.
Okay.
This 8.5
Mm-hmm.
to 10.1, is it the number of people that Facebook is going to choose from, or is the number of people that are going to see the ad, like all of them?
No, that is the number of Facebook users whose location is Kenya.
I get it.
Yeah. Like if I remove Kenya now and I'm left with only Tanzania, you can see Tanzanian users on Facebook is 4.5 million to 5.2 million. You get it now. So you also have to consider your audience size. You have to consider your audience size when you're running campaign. Then when you're running a campaign. So okay, let's continue. Audience. So let's use only Uganda. Let me type in Uganda here. Okay, let me type in Kampala. I don't want to target everybody in Uganda. So let me type in Kampala. Okay, let me put Uganda here. I'll remove Tanzania. Let me remove Tanzania. Then I type in Kampala. This is Kampala district, Uganda. City. So I'm typing in the city, Kampala city. Then I can type in Mbarara. This is Mbarara. This is the city itself. You get it? Mbarara. I can type in Jinja. I can type in Gulu. Yeah. So this is where I want to target. So you can see the radius. Let me try and zoom in the map. So this is Gulu, this is Mbarara, this is Kampala, this is Jinja. Then I can also select, I should reach out to people that are more, or reach out to more people likely to respond to your ad. Yeah. Then also, then another thing here is please, a moment, please. Just a moment. So let's continue, please. So this is how you set up your location. Then you can click on select more option. So this is how, when you select more option, you filter your age. So this is, you can say that the minimum age that we want to target is from 18 or 19 or 20. You can select the minimum age you want to target. So you can, if you want, you can leave it at 18. Then you can also select, if you have an existing audience that you've saved before, you can also add it. Then you can also select languages. Let's say you want to target people from a particular language. You can, if you want, you can also do that. Then I can save this audience. I can save this audience that, so next time you want to run ad, maybe let's say scale up Kampala, I can save it as scale up Kampala. So anytime I want to run ad for scale up Kampala, this is the audience. This is the audience that I want to, use. Yeah. I hope that is very clear now. So I can save it. So next time I want to run ad for Scale Up Kampala, I can always come back and use this audience. You can see this is a saved audience. This is a saved. So this is how you create a saved audience. And
I have a question.
okay.
Can we target audiences like based on profession? Let me say, for example, I'm targeting digital marketeers. Is there a way I can do that?
Yes, you can do that. Let me look for it here. Let me look for it here. Okay, look at it here. Detailed targeting. So you target based on demographics, interest, and behavior. So this is detailed targeting. So you click on browse. So you can target based on demographics. Here, educational level. So you can target people that has a college grad, doctorate degree, high school, people that are in college. Do you get it? College are people that indicated that their highest education level is in college. People that are in high school, people that have a master's degree, professional degree. Yeah, so you can target based on educational level. You can target based on fields or study. You can type it like something like, you can type pharmacy. You can see a lot of fields under pharmacy: pharmacy technician, pre-pharmacy, clinical pharmacy, bachelor of pharmacy, doctor of pharmacy, certified pharmacy technicians. So these are pharmacy. These, you can also target based on schools. You can target based on school. That is, if there are schools on Facebook, let's say Makerere University, you can see Makerere University Business School. Let me shake. That is people that Kampala. It's only Makerere that is here. So that is why when you are creating your Facebook account, sometimes they'll ask you the school that you went to, because it is from this information that Facebook used to segment audience. So you can also target based on financial income. Yeah, but mostly this is from for people in US, because many of them declare their income. And also people that are celebrating anniversary, like say a bridal world. If you want to run an anniversary, people that are into event, even people that are doing makeup, people that have an event in 30 days, they search for a lot of things. So you can also target them. Anniversary within 31 to 60 days, within 30 days. So Facebook knows people that want to do wedding, people that want to celebrate birthday. And also you can also target people based on birthday, upcoming birthday. Yeah, let's say you have your services is tailored for people that are doing birthday. You can also target parents. Let's say you're selling baby clothes, you can target parents, people that are into relationship. There's relationship status, engaged. Yeah, there's a lot of.
Excuse me,
uh,
sir.
yes,
Are you able to choose more than one
of course.
audience?
Yes, of course. Like I can target engaged, both people that are engaged. I can target people that are in a relationship, people that are married. I can target people that are single, even people that are confused, they don't know their relationship status, unspecified. Yeah, you can select all of them. Even work, you can select industry, people that are into administrative. There are a lot of information here, business and finance, cleaning and maintenance. Let's say want to do night digital. Everybody here is a potential customer. So we select everybody. We select everybody here. Yeah, you can select as many as you want. Then you can select based on interest, people that are interested in business and in industry, entertainment, leisure, family and relationship, um, fitness and wellness, food and drink. Yeah, you can, for instance, people that are into fitness might also be interested in mental health. That is for Intico. You can also to select them. But this is why your audience definition is very important. You need to research about your audience. So when you are targeting them on Facebook, you actually know what you are doing. You can also target based on behavior. People that celebrate anniversary, you can also target. You can also target based on mobile device users. You can target based on mobile device users, the operating system they use. You can see. So there's a lot of things based on their digital activities, maybe new active business, yeah, shop admins, based on their digital activities, gamers, Facebook Lite, app users. Yeah, there's a lot of information you can use to target people based on purchase behavior. You want people that buy things online. Facebook knows they have data about people that buy things online. You can also target frequent travelers. On travel, there are people called frequent traveler. You know, if your GPS is on your Facebook app, uh, accesses your GPS, so it knows if you're a frequent traveler, like frequent international traveler. They know people that are always going to Paris, New York, and the rest. Yeah, people that returned in 1 week ago. You just target all of them because definitely most frequent travelers have money. So if you're running your ad, Natural Crown, you can target frequent travelers because they have money. They have money to spend. Yeah. So I can update it. I can update it now. You can see. So let's go back to,
So I have another question.
okay.
Now, after running the ad, okay, after running the ad, is it withdrawn from my Facebook page or it stays there so that any other person can still see it?
Come again. I didn't get you clearly.
Like when I run an ad on my page, and let's
Okay.
say the time period has elapsed, does Facebook withdraw it from my page that even if I go to search for it there, it is no longer there, or it stays there for other people to see it? But Facebook just stops pushing it.
Yeah, once your money finish, depending on if it is daily budget, if it's daily budget, okay, let's go to billing and payments. There's what we call payment method. In payment method, there's what we call add spending limits. Okay, it's not from here. There's what we call ad spending limit. When you are spending your ad, there is an amount you will use. Facebook's supposed to charge you. So once Facebook cannot charge you, your ad will stop automatically. And once your ad stops automatically, if you come here, you will still see your campaign. Like here, if you go to your ad manager, you will still see your campaign. You get it? But if you are the admin, you see everything, but for the audience, they'll stop seeing your ad. But if you want to restart your ad, you pay your outstanding balance, then your ad will continue running. Is that
Oh,
clear?
I thought it remains on my page as a post.
That is if you are boosting posts. If you're running an
Oh,
ad from an ad manager, you don't see it on your as your posts. You don't see it as a post on your page.
I get the
Yeah,
difference. I get the difference.
yeah. So this is the ad set level. So at ad set level, that is where you set up your budget, you set your audience, you set your ad duration, you set your spending. This is like bid control. You set your spending limit. This is where you select your page, the page that you're going to use to run the ad. And this is where you set up your performance goal. These are things you can achieve using your using the at ad set level. So next thing is that we're going to look at the ad level. So once you are done, you click on next. You click on next here. Yeah. You click on next here. If you want, you can also rename your ad name. We can call it, Scale Up 2026. Do you get it? So partnership ad, like I said, if you want to run an ad with other brand, if you want to run an ad with other brand, let's say that I want to Google Uganda or Facebook Uganda, I want to partner with them on this. The ad can be showing on our pages at the same time. So they will see the ad from Microsoft. They also see the ad from us. Yeah. So you can see Facebook page and an Instagram accounts. Yeah, this is the Instagram account because they are linked together. They are linked together. So you can see, so the ad will run on Facebook page and on Instagram accounts. So this is where you set up the creative of your ad. So this is where you set the creative of your ad. So when you are setting up your ad creative, you can use image or video. You can use image or video, or you can use carousel. Carousel is an image that is when you use multiple images that is scrollable. Let me show you a carousel. So let's select images. Let me look for maybe images on my account. This is Scale Up Kampala. You can see that Scale Up Kampala has a lot of images. So if it is a carousel, I can select, for instance, this is just a sample carousel image. So if it is a carousel image, what it means is that in the ad preview, when you go to the ad preview, you'll find out that in the ad preview, you'll find out that, just a moment, please. In the ad preview, you find out that you can see more than one image at the same time. Then this is where you you enter your primary text. Say image not found, image not available. One of these images is missing. I don't know which particular one. One of them is missing. Is it this one? Which one? One of them is missing. Okay, I think it's one of these images that is missing. So you can add a primary text. Join us for the January 2026 training. Join us for the January 2026 training. Then headline. This is well headline. So and you can see the ad preview in different formats. There is a in-stream. There is the status, how it's going to show in Reels and how it's going to show in search results. Then you can add a short headline. Learn from the best. Learn from the best. Then you can type in a URL. So this is the point. I'll look for Scale Up Kampala website. If you have a landing page, that's where we can use the landing page, because when you're running ad, it is good for you to create a landing page where people can go and drop their information. Yeah. So then you click on preview URL. Facebook must be sure that the URL is working. So you click on preview. Once you click on preview and it is validated, yeah, Facebook must show that the link is working before you start running ad. So that is for carousel. If you also want to use a single image, ad, here you can only select one image. For single image, you can only select one image. For instance, you can only select one image, or if you want, you can select pictures. You can select pictures. Yeah, this is a picture. Let me remove this one. This is a single image or video. So let me select a picture. January 2026 training. Learn from the best URL. This is display link, a link you want to show in your ad. Yeah, then you choose call to action. There are many call to action. There is order now, apply now, book now, contact us, get post. So you can put something like apply now. Yeah, you can use apply now. So this is the ad preview. You get it? This is ad preview. This is how it's going to look at. This is how it's going to look at on Instagram. This is how it's going to look at on Facebook. Yeah. This is your ad preview for Facebook feed. This one is for in-stream ad, Reels. This is how it's going to look like. Yeah. So you can say, let's say Facebook profile feed. Yeah. So you can select to know how it will look at on each. We call them ad placements. Facebook has up to 17 ad placements. When you're running Facebook ad, 17 ad placements. You can see for here, Facebook feed, Facebook in-stream Reels, Facebook Marketplace, Facebook profile feed, ads on Facebook Reels, Instagram Explore, Instagram profile feed, Instagram feed. Yeah, these are what we call them is ad placements. We call them ad placements. Ad placement, yeah. So this is tracking. Tracking is it is actually beyond the scope of this class. But I promised you that I want to have a particular class on performance analytics. If it is on a website, there's what we call Google Analytics. You set up a tracking code on your website. So Facebook has its own analytics. It's called Pixel, Facebook Pixel. Like in the business suite, there is a place here for Pixel. I think, no, that is in the settings. In the settings, in data sources, you can see catalog. There's catalog, data set and pixel, offline event sets. Yeah, so these are pixels. These are pixels. Yeah, so is when you add a tracking code from your from Facebook to your website. So it collects events. It collects events on your website to your page. So if you set it up here, there is also an aspect of, we call it a performance measurement in digital marketing. So once you're done with everything, then you click on publish. So when you click on publish, your ad will start running. Yeah, so this is how to set up a meta ad. Meta ad runs on Facebook and Instagram and Facebook audience network, Meta audience network. That is the three places where your ad run. So I believe this is very clear. This is very clear. You can click on review here and you review your ad and see how it's going to look like in most of these
Excuse me, sir.
platforms. Yes.
On WhatsApp, where does the ad run on WhatsApp?
If the ad does not run on WhatsApp, unless you want people to send you messages. If you want people to send you messages, that means you have to go back to your campaign and change your objective. You can change your objective to engagement. Engagement is messaging. And when you change your engagement to messaging, when we get to the ad set level, you will see that they will ask you to add your WhatsApp number.
I was confused when you said Meta, the ad runs on 3 platforms. So Facebook, WhatsApp, and
Instagram and audience network.
Oh.
Yeah. Facebook, Instagram and audience network. Yeah. But for if you can also run ad, and people will send you messages on your WhatsApp. When they click on message, what it means is that you have to add your WhatsApp number to your Facebook page. Yeah, when you go to your Facebook page, you should add your WhatsApp number there. Yeah, you should add your WhatsApp number to your Facebook page. You add your WhatsApp number to your Facebook page. I think, yeah. Yeah, you can add your WhatsApp number. I'm looking for the linked account. Okay, I think it's here.
There is a word that link your WhatsApp account.
Is it here? I think
under
I can get
page health good.
It's under what?
You go back. Here in the middle. How healthy is your page? Page health good. Then down here, link your WhatsApp account. They did that one.
Okay, I've seen it here. Yeah. Okay, link your WhatsApp account. Yeah. So you link it. Once you link your WhatsApp number to your Facebook page, the advantage of linking it is that people can, let's say I link it here. Let me try and link it. They send WhatsApp code. Let me check my WhatsApp number now. So let me enter the code. 76027. And make sure your WhatsApp is a business account. Make sure your WhatsApp is a business account. So immediately that is how you link it. Yeah. So here is asking me to add WhatsApp button. Yeah. Not now. Skip. So you can get it now. So now that you've that sends people to your WhatsApp number, you can connect a maximum of 50 WhatsApp numbers to your page. And you can use any of them for ad, post, and other experiences. So you can run an ad and people will sending you message to your WhatsApp number directly. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So here, for instance,
So, sir,
yes,
meaning that on Facebook and Instagram, the ad runs to your audience.
yes,
And then on WhatsApp, they can only engage you through
yes,
chat.
yes, they will send you message directly on WhatsApp.
Okay.
Yes, so you don't need to go to Facebook Messenger or your Instagram inbox. They send you message directly to your WhatsApp. So is that very clear?
Yes.
Any question? Okay. So in the absence of any question, I think I've shared it in the group how to create a business portfolio. In case you don't have a business portfolio, you can always create that. But please, in case if it is very confusing, don't hesitate to let me know. I know this can be very confusing at times. There are people that have taught this thing, but for whatever reason, they don't. It's very hard for them to understand it. But if you want to learn it, if you want to go deeper into it, you have to practice it. Yeah, if you don't practice it, you are going to forget what you learned. So in the absence of any question, so this is where we are going to end today. And please work on your assignment. Tomorrow, we are going to have our class on. We are going to have our class on which one are we going to do tomorrow? I'm thinking of pricing or AI in marketing. Which one should we do? Okay, let's do AI in marketing. Then on Monday, we'll look at pricing. How AI can help you in marketing. Yeah, there's a lot of things you can do with AI in creating content, in creating logo. AI can create logo for you. AI can generate caption for you. Yes, AI can generate just ask it question. It will answer you immediately. Yeah, AI. So tomorrow we're going to use AI. We're going to have a class in AI in marketing. So thank you very much and have a good day. Please remember to do your assignment. Yes?
Does it mean Meta is not, it does not even have the free version? It's pay for it when you want to advertise? It's a must, you have to pay for it.
Advertising means you pay.
Okay.
You've created a Facebook page for free. They didn't charge you for creating Facebook page. Then if you now want to amplify your content, you have to pay. That's what that's what is called advertising. Advertising has never been free. Whether it's on radio or outdoor advertising, you have to pay. If you're not paying, it means somebody is paying for it. Any question?
So you use the Visa card to pay for it?
Pardon?
Or there is another, the form of payment?
Yeah, you use a card. Okay, let's go back to the payments. Let me go to payments, search tools, billings and payments. Okay, I think it's already here. billings and payments. So you can see here I have to add add account here. So these add accounts are prepaid. No, they are postpaid. I can add the way you add money in your in terms of billing. Facebook has two types of billing. There is prepaid and postpaid. Prepaid is this one I add money to is like a wallet. Prepaid is like a wallet. So I add money to it. And for instance, let me click on add funds. Then I'll not decide the amount that I want to add. This is the amount I want to add. Then I'll now select a payment details, maybe through bank transfer. If it is through bank transfer, they'll give you a payment gateway and give you an OTP, one-time password for you to pay. Then the second one is postpaid. Postpaid is when you add a payment, that is for you to add a card. Do you get it now? Postpaid, you need to add a card. So when you come to payment method here, you add a card. Do you get it now? So let's say to myself, you get it now? So this is where you now add a card. So if it is let's say it's a Visa card or a MasterCard, or okay, this is American Express. Once you click on next, they will tell you to add your card details. So this is postpaid. So sometimes they can charge you per day, or you can put an ad spending limit. Let's say once you spend up to 200,000, they will debit your card. Once you spend up to $100, they will debit your card. Once you spend up to $50, they will debit your card. So these are the two types of billing for Facebook. There is prepaid and there is postpaid. For the other prepaid, the one I talked previously, this one that is prepaid, once the money gets to zero, the ad stops immediately. Once the money gets to zero, the ad stops immediately, or they are unable. If Facebook is unable to get their money, the ad stops instantly. It stops instantly once they're unable to. Facebook don't joke with their money. So if you want to run ad, make sure that you have money on standby. So anybody that wants to run ad and you're using your card payments, because I know Facebook does not charge in Uganda shillings. They only charge in US dollar. Make sure there is money in that card before you start running ad. If not, of your ad can run like 3 days or 4 days, then it will stop. Any further question? Hello?
No question, sir.
Okay. All right. In the absence of any question, we're going to end here today, and have a great day. See you tomorrow. Our class tomorrow is online, but if you want to come at the center, there's a computer there. You can join the class there. So thank you very much. Tomorrow, same time by 11 a.m. Have a blessed day.